Welcome back to my channel, everyone. There was a tweet out there that showed a evil brother who hid his sister's school project and a whole bunch of folders and subfolders. This is a list of them here. Some of them not very nice. You can see down here, go die. And each one of these folders has 3 subfolders. And this brother put his sister's file in one of these, expecting her to go through and click through each one, trying to find her school project that was needed to be posted that night. Well, if she subscribed to my channel, she would have known a much faster way to find her project. You can go down here and click in CMD, open up the command prompt, make this a little smaller here so you can see it. And as usual, we'll CD into the desktop. And we're going to CD into this evil brother folder right here. If I do dir, you can see all the folders that are in here. Quite a few of them, and then all of them folders, and trying to find everything might be a pain in the butt if she didn't know the command prompt. You subscribe to my channel, you can do something with the directory command, dir, and then whatever search term you want to use. In this case, we're going to use school. We don't know the rest of the file name, so you can put an asterisk. So what this says is find any file that starts with school, and I don't care what's after that. And then we're going to use the /s option, which says, hey, search this folder, but also search all the folders within this and find a file that has this term right here, school. And we hit enter. And you see right here, it comes back with this whole long path. Scrappy Mouse, desktop, evil brother, 9, steal for me. So let's confirm that. So we're going to go down here and we're going to open up 9. And then it says it's in sub 1, sub 2, and all the way at the end. There is her school project. Right there. She found it that quick using the command prompt, doesn't need to search through all the folders, and she has now outsmarted her brother. It's too bad she didn't subscribe to my channel before she spent 15 minutes of her life trying to find a project. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.